Okay, doing some plowing now. We finally got some freaking snow, and it's not starting off on the right track already. The one pickup, the headlights won't work, so I was supposed to drive that truck, but now I have to drive my own to the loader. I'm already 40 minutes behind schedule because of that. Both headlights don't work, high beam, low beam, nothing. It works on the dash, but doesn't work on the truck itself or the plow. So it must be truck related. I guess there are chances that both headlights are blown. I suppose it could happen. That'd be really odd. Or the switch is bad. I just checked the fuse real quick and the fuses look okay. So I don't know, but we're gonna get out plowing, I guess, and just something else to deal with later on. So we're on the way to the job, and I guess we'll get after it. 3:40 in the morning. Well, I'm back at the loader now, and I got the pump running, filling up the tire, the Milwaukee air pump, and it's warming up right now. It actually started up pretty well after it sat really for a while. I haven't used it at all in about a month. I started it yesterday evening just to make sure it would fire up, and started up again this morning about, I don't know, 12 hours later, and it seems to be doing pretty good. So I'm happy that it's running. Let's get the tire air up. Alright, well, the first job is done. Pretty decent sized pile of snow here. It's scraped like absolute garbage. I had to go over this thing at least 2 times because it just left a bunch of stuff behind because it's all iced over. So I got it. Look at it here. I'll show you. It's like coming off in bricks. Well, it makes it really hard to push with a rubber edge, so it cleaned up better than I thought it was going to, but if I had that Arctic on this thing, I'd be cruising along, ripping through this stuff. So, yeah, maybe next year. Off to the next one. Alright, so this stuff was not scraping up at all. So, I ended up going to get the bucket that you see on my right, and I went through and kind of broke everything up, but now I'm going to come back with the pusher and I'm going to push everything close. So, let's see how this goes. This is taking normally about double the amount of time that it normally takes to clean this place up. This is just, it's not scraping up very well with this pusher. And it's really slowing everything down because it's like, it like sleeted after it snowed, and now there's like grit on top of it. It makes it tough to plow it. So that's what we're up against. been real. I've done this round. That was a tough one. A lot of people would say that I don't know how to plow or whatever, I'm sure in the comments. But that was a very difficult storm to plow. It was all ice. Let's see if this is anything. This is kind of broken right now, but this is kind of soft. This was all ice. You can see it's all coming out in chunks. It was like pushing straight up ice, and these skid plates on the side of this plow just kind of ride up and over it, which sucks. So that's not cool. So it makes it very difficult. That's why at one point I brought the bucket in and just kind of scratched everything up, and then came back and cleaned up with a pusher because it was not working. But we're all done for today, and we're back at it again. Now time to get working on that switch and go bed. See you in the next one.